Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to fix unknown error occurred on Tonkeeper app. So if you're currently having that exact same problem, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So basically what I did myself was that I actually closed my Tonkeeper app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So now on the settings app, what I did in here was that I just scrolled down and then I clicked on general in here as you can see. So I clicked on general. In here, I scrolled down once again and I clicked on storage. And then I just waited for all the apps in here to load as you can see. And when it's done loading in here, you're just going to scroll up until you can see the search bar up top here. So click on the search bar. In here, we're just going to search for, so just search for tune. Let's see if it actually, we can just search for, oh, sorry, yeah, Tonkeeper, yeah, obviously. So just click on the app in here, and then you're going to click on Offload App, and then once again, click on Offload App in here. Then click on the blue button here once again. And basically now you're just going to wait for your Tonkeeper app to completely update to the latest version. So just wait for it to completely load, and then when it's done, you're just going to go back into the app and try once again, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.